How to change side button settings on your Samsung Z Fold 7. By default, when you long press the side button, it will launch the Gemini on your latest Samsung Z Fold 7 or any other latest Samsung device. To change the side button settings, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Here you can search for the side key settings also, or scroll down until the advanced feature. Scroll down, tap on the advanced features. Here you can see the side button option, tap on it. Here you can see the two option double press. In the double press you can see by default select open the camera when you double press the side button. So when we double press the side button, it will open the camera on my Samsung Z Fold 7. Also double tap it to flip the camera. So you can use double tap like this. So if you select the other application or select the record video, take portrait, take a selfie using the side button in Samsung Z Fold 7. Or if you want to use other application, you can select the application. Now select the application quickly, like we select the calculator or double press and it will access the calculator on a Samsung device. So you can select double press or a long press. By default long press, select the Gemini. Now select the power up menu. So when you long press the side key, it will open the power menu on your device. You can also see the side button setting here, tap on it. And long press again, select the Google Assistant by default set on your device. So you can easily customize side key or a power button key on your Samsung Z Fold 7. That's it. If you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.